Hey, what happened? You missed the note. No, I did not.
Yes.
It's all Pete's fault.
Anyway.
Even if it wasn't really Pete's fault, it's still Pete's fault.
Hey. Hey, it's a Luke Bryan moment. We're going to do a little Luke Bryan song for y'all real quick. Hands up, Rocket.
Hands up, don't shoot.
Hands up, Rocket in my truck. Now, girl, I know I don't know you, but you're pretty little eyes so blue are pulling me in like the moon on your skin. I'm so glad you trusted me to slide up on this dusty seat and let your head down. Get out of town, got the stars coming out over my hood, and all I know now is it's going good. You've got your hands up, rocking in my truck, got the radio on, singing every song, set on cruise control, slowly losing hope of everything I got. You're looking so damn hot. I don't know what road we're on, or where you've been. I'm staring at you, girl. I just know that I don't want this night to end. Gonna cuss the morning when it comes, 'cause I know that the rising sun ain't no good for me, 'cause you'll have to leave. Gonna make the most of every mile, do anything to make your smile land on my lips, get drunk on your kiss. Clock on the dash, it's 3:35, there's plenty of gas, and I'm still alive. You've got your hands up, rocking in my truck, got the radio on, singing every song, set on cruise control, slowly losing hope of everything I got. You're looking so damn hot. I don't know what road we're on, or where you've been. I'm staring at you, girl. I just know that I don't want this night to end. Hey, 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 kick it up. Put your hands in the air, swinging like you just don't care. Hey, y'all looking good out there. Hell yeah. You've got your hands up, rocking in my truck, got the radio on, we're singing every song, set on cruise control, slowly losing hope of everything I got. You're looking so damn hot. I don't know what road we're on, or where you've been. I'm staring at you, girl. I just know that I don't want this night. No, I don't want this night to end. Girl, I don't want this night to end. All right, we're gonna get right on the mic, sing a little song so I can catch my breath.